If your skate game is stuck on the loading screen like this, then in this tutorial I will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Make sure to follow these instructions very carefully. Now this is a very common problem. If you go to various forums like the Skate EA subreddit, you can see lots of people complaining regarding the same issue. Now luckily there is a solution. Make sure to follow the instructions. Now step 1, try to verify your game files. Now if on this screen here which shows Skate loading here, make sure to close it by just pressing Alt plus F4. So close the game with Alt plus F4, a shortcut to force close a program. After closing your game, this loading screen here by pressing Alt plus F4, now use Steam Verify Integrity of Game Files feature which checks for missing or corrupted files and replaces them. Now go to your Steam just like so. Then after going to your Steam, make sure to right click on your game and then you go here to Properties. Go to Installed Files and make sure to verify integrity of your game files. This will try to check for any missing files and try to replace them. After verify your integrity of your game files, try to check if the issue has been resolved. If you're still facing again the same problem, if you have the game on Steam, then switch to the EA app. And if you have the game on the EA app, then switch it to Steam. So if you have the game on Steam, just try to uninstall it by so open Steam, right click on your game which is Skate, then go here to manage and then select here uninstall. After uninstall the game, if you have it on Steam, then go to the EA app. Make sure to download the EA app if you haven't. Then after downloading the EA app, make sure to launch it. So here is the EA app. And then search for your game. So if you search for your game, you'll see Skate here. Make sure to download the Skate using the EA app. Most of the time, you'll find EA works fine than Steam. So if you have the game on Steam, make sure to download it on the EA app. It works fine. You'll no longer face this loading screen. Now, if you're still facing again the same problem, make sure to uninstall and then reinstall the game on another SSD drive. Sometimes, especially if you use hard drives and not SSD, you have the game maybe like on the local disk D. I have 2 disks. Let me show you here. So you have the game on the D drive here. Make sure to try to install it on the C drive. So you can just remove it or move it to the C drive and try to check if the issue has been resolved. So make sure your game is installed on the SSD. So most of the time you'll find that if you have the game on the D drive, you'll be facing loading issues. Try to install it on the C drive or where you have the SSD. The issue should just be resolved. So this is the best guide on how to resolve this issue for Skate stuck on the loading screen. Let me know in the comment section if it has helped you, and see you next time.